welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today I'm so excited to share with you this eye makeup look that I've just created from a new palette that I've got. It is called Kesha Rose. How cute is the design? Like, I'm a sucker for this kind of things, but I love purple and pink. That is my go-to color. So I've created this eye makeup look inspired by this. And let's check out what's inside. So here, ta-da! Here we have the bright orange and red and maroon. We have a bit of green colors as well. And I reckon this palette is pretty versatile and you could create a lot of look from it. And it has just the right colors. But with the red, I never tried a red eye shadow makeup before, so this is something interesting that I might have to play with, and you keep on watching to check that out. And yeah, so if you would like to see how I created this eye makeup look, keep on watching. So right now I've already put on my foundation as well as my eyebrows. Yeah, all nice and ready to go. So I'm gonna straight head on with the colors for the eye makeup. So I'm gonna get a big, let me see, the brush, the fluffy eyeshadow brush. So let's go in with a purple as a base coat. It's not quite purple, it's more like a pink purple. It's quite light. Let's try that on. I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelids. Looks cool. Looks pretty cool. Alright, with a blending brush, I'm gonna dip a bit more. And then let's just feather out the edges. Yeah, I think I like that. And let's add a bit more pop of color. I'm thinking of this blue color. It looks really cool. Let's just try that. Apply this all over my eyes. I'm just gonna blend this a bit more. Wow, look at that, so pretty. Love this color. It's pretty vibrant and it blends quite easily. And I think I'm gonna put in some green. Before I do that, I'm gonna need a bit of concealer. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with another brush, eyeshadow brush here. Let's try with the green. What do you think? It looks pretty cool. I love those colors. Now let's put on some colors at the bottom of lash line. I'm gonna apply a bit more of the pink. Just blend it out. I think that looks perfect. And one more color, just this one. Now that's all done. We'll go in with the eyeliner, and I also bought a collection. So with the eyeliner, I got here 2 of the eyeliners she has. I believe this is orange. Let's go with the blue eyeliner. Here I'm using Kesha dual eyeliner. So both of this end has eyeliner. This is blue, and here we have black. Let's go with a blue eyeliner. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna use a Heavy Metal Urban Decay glitter liner along the inner corner. To add extra glow. You can't go wrong with glitters. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the face. Let's do the next eye. This is the complete eye makeup. Now let's move on with blushes and finish up this look. Now let's add a little bit of highlights. Okay, done. I'm gonna test this out. And I'm gonna use this from Kesha's. It's called Rose Hip Oil Lipstick and a plumping gloss duo. So this is how it looks like. Look at that. It's really pretty. I love the packaging and the colors. It's amazing. I'm gonna create a blotted lips look. It looks really dark. It looks really dark on the camera, but it's actually quite alright. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, hit the like button and subscribe, and do comment down in the comment box below what you would like to see, and if you have any questions for me, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!